So you're making a lot of noise. Hi guys, hi to those of you who are joining us. We're here again for... Okay, so... Shush. We're going to do streaming in a minute. Shh. Here for another live stream here from Café in Leeds. Hi guys. I'd love to say hello to you individually, but you're all coming too thick and fast for me. Are we knocking the plants over already? Leela. Story of my life, picking the plants up after you. Crinkle. I don't even dare put my hand in because I know exactly what you're going to do. Hi Pancake. A lovely sunshiny day I've not really noticed until I came out of the cat room about 10 minutes ago. Hi Bam Bam. Yvonne, who's waiting for Dreamies, that was Sue, who was making a lot of noise. I managed to get out of the cat room quite quietly and then no one came running to me. Oh, it was far too quiet. I knew there was something wrong, didn't we, Saf Saf? Eh? Parcel for Tata. Thank you, Ashley. I'll take you over to go see Tata. Tata's having a proper little sunbathe. Elise says that she keeps freezing. Has everyone got connected okay? If it's something going wrong my end, I'll try and do something about it. Tata going for a little bite there. Thank you for sending stars, guys. Muchly appreciated. Woody, I know what your plan is. Eh? Hi Waffle. I was going to call you Sue then. Hi Ghost. Are you coming to get me? I've made the stupid mistake of sitting down here, haven't I? So Ghost has spent most of the morning having a play with Leela. They've been running around the snug all morning. They're cute. Are you going to pounce there? Hi Cinnamon. Socks please. Yep, no worries. Let's go try and find socks. And we'll do Dreamies in a bit. Since I'm silly and I've left them in the drawer. Hi socks. Ooh, the sun's bright. Let's go see Pancake. You're a sweep. I have to be honest, it's all very quiet and very calm here. It's a bit unnerving. Oh, here's Pancake. Hello, boy. Have the kitties been behaving themselves? Yeah, more or less. They've all been really quiet so far. Hi, Leo. Hi, Crinkle. You seem to like sitting here the last few days, haven't you? Oh, hello, Cinnamon. All the things to climb on, and you decide to climb on me. Yeah? That's very, very up close and personal, Cinnamon. Yvonne, you adore Cinnamon, and Safi Cinnamon's just here. She's been following me around for the last 15 minutes, haven't you? Hi, Saf Saf. You got such a little meow, haven't you? So Sarah, a lot of the black cats have been here as long as I've been here, to tell you the truth. So we've got Sue. God, is this waffle or going to be crumpetched here? And then we've got Waffle, who is, I think, just over here on the socks. No, that's socks. Not sure where Waffle's got. Mate with the dreamers, is that what you're saying? Alison, can you see Mog? Yeah, Mog's having a little battle with... deconstructed this rope tower a little bit. Princess Safi, Vicky, that's controversial. I called her princess once and was slated in the comments for not referring to her as queen. Mog. Mog. Oh, don't hide. Pancake? Hello from Sweden. Hello, Eva. Ashling straight in there with Queen. Brilliant, love it. Are you sunbathing, little man? Are you having a sunbathe, Leah? Hope everyone can see okay. So I'm using, I brought my tablet in because my phone is getting even worse at charging up now. So it's been on charge all morning, we've got 60 something %. So, switch to the tablet. It's a little bit cumbersome to hold, but it's okay. Personally, I think the picture quality on it's a little bit better, but... Have we turned this on ourselves? Okie dokie. What's Crinkle doing? Should we let all hell break loose now and make out with some dreamies? Let's get some dreamies. I'm going to try and get them up. I think they're pretty aware of where they are. Cinnamon, isn't it? Get out of there, Cinnamon. I'm going to trap your nose. And this is where all hell breaks loose. Done the stupid mistake of trying to open these one-handed. Get off the dreamy tower. Very sweet. Oh, Socks, I can hear you, girl. Crinkle, that is the laziest eating I've ever seen. That's amazing. Ta-ta. Peanut, move your bum. Puds. Throw them in the air and run. Maddic's heading for the dreamy dealer. I do think it's a little bit like that sometimes. I hear you, Socks. Crinkle's just sat on the toy. Silly boy. And the standard cookie growl. Leo's currently dueling with Pancake for Dreamies. And then Cookie's just over here, growling away. Go, Cookie. We hear you, Socks. Hello, Sonia. Hello, James. We do need 2 treat towers. It's 2. It's true, should I say. Can't even speak. Ta-ta. Move your bumper. Watch out afterwards. One's fallen on Crinkle and he's not even bothered enough to get it. So lazy, Crinkle. Saff saff. No cinnamon. Cinnamon, why are you climbing all the way up my arm? I know you can't see this, but Cinnamon's just climbed all the way up my arm, so I'm struggling with her and holding a tablet at the same time. Good ghost. Hello James, hope you're well. Hope the Nottingham kitties are all good. Let's see if James has got any funny questions for me. Or some bad cat jokes at least. Exactly why move if the dream is moved to you. What are you doing, Cinnamon? Are you just smelling dreamy dust on my hands? Is that what you're smelling? James is definitely full of bad cat jokes. Guys, give me a shout if there's anyone you want to see in the comments and we'll keep making my way around them in all anyway. Hi Cookie. Is it dreamy dust licking time? James is popcorn about. Hilarious. Hilarious, James. What are you doing? You can't go through there. Is it a lazy day for you today, Crinkle? We know what your next move was. With your tushy pegs. Ta-ta. 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 Oh, Tato, I need to clean your eyes. Hi, Daria. Let's have a look. Who do we want to see? So, a couple of Catherine's obvious shout for Crinkle, who's just right here. Let's go see Pud Puds, who I don't think's moved either. I think everyone's feeling pretty lazy today. Oh, turned you round. There we go. Pud Puds. Let's go see Bam Bam. Bam Bam's, oh, it's not Bam Bam, he's moved. Here he is. Bam Bam's been pretty quiet last couple of days, haven't you, Bam Bam? I think he's getting lockdown boredom. It's not a very good light here, I do apologise, guys. Let's go find Socks and Ghosts. So Socks is just up here. There's no more Dreamies, girl. Let's go find Ghost. Where is Ghost? Ghost just down here having a little wash. Say hello, Ghost. Say hi, Ghost. Oh, enough of that. I'm having a clean human. Go away. Let's go find Patch. Hi, Hope. Patch is having a pretty lazy, chilled out day as well. You did yesterday as well. You just sat on table 19 all day, didn't you? Hmm? So Patch is our heaviest cat. Aren't you, Patch? James, your clippers have come. About time. Let's see that noggin get shaved. Hope and Waffle both in the same shot. Hope. That's my finger, little girl. Everybody seems to be cleaning at the moment. Tata Janet Street Porter. I think it was a bit of a cruel nickname that I gave her for that, wasn't it? Hey, Tata. So you'll be nice to the kittens. Enough of that now, eh? So it's Cinnamon and Hope. I know we wanted Hope and Leo, but Leo's run away. Let's see if we can see Loki and Artemis. Where are we? Oh, Loki's having a good old sunbathe. Artemis is running away. And Leo's having a little sunbathe too. Oh, no fighting, please. Hi, Sweep. Let's see if we can find Peanut. Peanut's having a little sunbathe as well. Hi, Peanut. Enough. Hi Cara, can you see ghosts? Yes, you can. You might guess I'm a little bit behind in the comments, but don't worry, I'll catch up eventually. Hi Socks. Really behind, is that right, Socks? So here we go, Cara. Ghost will probably run away because she's not wanted to fuss for all morning. You tired from playing with Lilo all morning? Hi Socks. Hi Waffle. Oh, enough. I think Waffle's fallen out with me. Hi Sweep. You couldn't fall out with anyone, could you, Sweep? You're too sweet. Sweet little kitten, aren't you? Slightly better hair than your brother, though. Thank you to all you guys that are sending stars as well. When the cat's sunbathing, make a shadow. To be honest, the sun's going in a little bit now. Elise, who likes to chatter most at the birds at the Leeds Café? It's Peanut. I've noticed most. He likes to have a chatter at them, don't you? It's quite funny, actually. Is Six meowing? I'm assuming you mean Socks. Yeah, Socks is meowing. Always. Whoop. I have to say, this is the calmest I think they've been. And then Pancake and Sweep having a little fight through the box, and Lilo's joined in. Joe Woody's around, but he's sat in the window, so I'll try and get like a sideways view, so hopefully you can see him. Say hi, Woody. 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 Who's my boy? Who's my boy? What are you looking at? Sunshine and fuss. Nothing going wrong for you, is there? Crinkle, every time we see you, you're lying down, chilling. Sorry to scare you. I don't know who that is crying away in the background. They are definitely plotting something. Hi Phoebe. Hope you're well. I'm sure the cats are missing you very, very much. And the kittens are getting quite big now. Leo and Hope. Aren't you? Lockdown kitties. That's what you are. Lockdown kitties. Crinkle? Cookie. Sorry, baby. Robert says he knows how Crinkle feels today. What are we doing today, guys? What are we doing with our Thursday? Had to think what day it was then. Thursday. Are we baking? Are we relaxing? Are we enjoying the sunshine? What are we up to? Queen Safi? Daria, let me know in the comments when you're coming past. But it's sort of be in about 6ish, 5:30, 6ish. Depends on whether they play ball or not, really, to be honest. Leela, do you want another toy instead? Here we go then. Look at Leela going. Oh, a lot of people working from home. Mark's baking bread. Alison is chilling in the garden. Lots of people should be working from home. Spray painting photo frames. That sounds interesting to you. Phoebe, you baking muffins? Phoebe, if you don't feel like you don't have to come to work and drop some off for me. Diary, if you're coming past around 5, we'll definitely still be out. Bexy's relaxing on the sofa, very nice. Are we watching anything good, Bexy? Catalin, you threaten every day to come and steal all of the kitties. And yeah, Lilo, she's a mad little scatty girl, but she's lovely. Cara, can you see Cinnamon? Yes, of course you can. I say of course you can. Where's Cinnamon gone? That's Aaliyah. Oh, here's a Cinnamon. Cinnamon. There you go, Cara. There's Cinnamon for you. Say hello. Sarah's chillaxing. Michelle's sunbathing. Eva's painting some tabletop minis. Lucy's in the garden with the paddling pool out. Where are we all running to? Which Cat-It toy would I recommend for kittens? I'll let Sarah get that one in the comments. I just get all toys out. Woo! Not supposed to run away from the ball, Woody. You're supposed to chase it. Martin, no VAR action today. Lots of people are threatening to come and steal all our kittens, you know. Starting to get me worried. But it's alright. It's alright, Pat Travel. I'm the only one with the keys. We'll be alright. Bex is watering the plants in the garden. They're going to need it this with this hot weather. I started off a little vegetable patch a few weeks ago in the garden, so I've been watering that before coming to work every day. But nothing's been successful so far, has it yet? No. Rubbish. Safi Woomi's squishy little face. Saf, you going to say hello to Phoebe? Saf. Say hello, Phoebe. Huh? That's Sue crying in the background for lunchtime, obviously, as he always does. What are you saying, Saf? What have you got to say? Saf, it is beautiful. Christine says I'm the only one with keys, so they need to kidnap me first. That's right, Alison, as long as they leave Mog for me and you, that's... No, I can't let any of it else go either. I'm Moggy. Are we going to have a play with this? You're not interested now, Mog. Sit. At least is Leo around? Yeah, Leo's just here. I hope you can see in this light. We've got some beautiful sunshine, haven't we, boy? Haven't we, little man? Who's this in the tunnel? I suspect it's Hope. It is. Ta-ta, be nice to Hope. Growing sunflowers. Very nice. What kind of sunflowers are you growing, Bexy? Obviously there's quite a lot of varieties, isn't there? Some you can get really, really tall and some are only babbies. What are you doing, Cookie? My little Leo is cute. Really cute. Hey, behave. Are you watching on diaries on your own then? Your own accounts? What is Crinkle doing? No, not growing catnip. Although I was speaking to my cousin the other day and he's growing some for his cat. But I do believe it's just a member of the mint family though, isn't it? I do believe. Is that right, Woody? Oh, bye then. We can see Socks. I don't know where Socks has gone yet again. That's a Mog. Pudding and Crinkle. Why did I not see your Socks? Eh? I'm on my tiptoe socks. Why don't you come down here? You don't want to. Oh, Artemis is going to join us instead. Hi, Artemis. Bethan, what breed was the grey cat? So you got Crinkle here, who's a Scottish fold with his folded over ears. And you got Pudding, who's an English short hair. Rachel says it is a mint. I was right. Pancake, leave him alone. Grace, you're right. Socks is always there, plotting to steal all the dreamies for all his all her feline friends. You can see Hope. Hope's just down here having a little bath. Hope. I think this is going to turn into Hope and Leo Fight Club. Hi, Pancake. Sneaking out of the tunnel. Hi, Cookie. What are you doing, Maggie? Cinnamon. You sniffing Maggie's toe beans? I know what your plan is. I don't think anyone wants to come out of the sunshine, to be honest. Pancake, leave him alone. Hope was washing Leo for a little bit, yeah. I don't know if I caught that on camera or not, but she was. Pancake, you've been a bit of a bully here. Not gonna lie. Pancake, you're being so mischievous. Oof. You went straight into that chair, then Pancake, you silly sausage. Hope hasn't done any more baking biscuits, no. I've not seen her doing any kneading like that though, myself. Sweep, don't you start being a bully as well. Hello, Mr. Crinkle. Don't want any fuss, do you? Eh? Hey, belly rubs. You change your mind now. Pancake is mischievous, you're right. Crinkle is on a permanent sun lounger. You love the sunshine, don't you, boy? Eh? Sunshine and belly rubs for Crinkle. Life doesn't get much better than this, does it, Crinkle? Nah. Leo. Crinkle says, hey, get out of my sunlight. I am actually really shadowing him. Crinkle. You know what, Phoebe? I'm always surprised, you know, when Crinkle lets you give him belly rubs for this long. I've had a few days where we've had belly rubs. And he's been okay with it. Normally when he's clawing his way along the cat room floor, along the side of the pods, that's normally when he likes to have a fight with you, isn't it, Crinkle? Yeah. Thinking about it though, aren't you? I saw that look in your eye then. Saw that look in your eye. Shall I get him or shall I let him carry on? Definitely thought about it, didn't you? Oh, Cinnamon. Cinnamon just licked the side of my face. You're right, Phoebe, it is normally the danger zone. Crinkle says, give you 24 hours to stop. Catalina is so cute. He's Crinks. Cinnamon's turned away now. I am wearing my hoodie, Aisling. Always. It safeguards you from claws. However, when you've just been sat in the sunshine like I have just now, you do get really hot. He is hilarious when he goes across the cat room floor. It does make me laugh. Apart from he got my toe a few weeks ago. Didn't he, Tata? Tata's not having belly rubs, are you, Tata? Eh? Not having it at all, are you? Who's that? That Mog. Aisling, you're allowed to have a Leeds hoodie. You can be a traitor to Birmingham. 2 out of the 3 Café general managers think that Leeds is the best city, so by default we win. I don't think Holly's even watching today. I've not seen it yet. She might be having a kittyless day. It is far too hot to wear a hoodie. Actually, you're quite right. Sarah, can you see Leo again? Yeah, I'll just have to step over everybody because in that sort of game. Pudding, have you been picking on little Leo or giving him a bath? Where we are while I'm watching. Hi, little Leo. I like that, and Holly might have a hangover from the party rings. Louise, can you see Sweepy? Yeah, of course. I'll go find her in a minute. Oh, enough. Oh, Mr. Lurky. How's the sunbathing? You're not having it? Okay. Not having a little head rub? No. Okay. Little Leo. Peanut, you're making yourself very comfortable. Hello. Kitty Lestay's blasphemy, is that right, Sarah? Let's see if we can find Sweep. And Cookie's got on a good sunbathing spot right at the top now. Where is Sweep? It's gone eerily quiet here, I think. Something's going wrong. Pancakes, stop bullying the kittens. Oh, that's Leela. We'll go say hello to Leela and then we'll find Sweep. Hi, Leela. Hello, my little scatty kitty. What are you doing? I am genuinely struggling to find Sweep here. What are you doing, little Leah? Let's see if we make our way to the cat room, see if I can find socks. Find socks, find Sweep, sorry. Ooh, tripping up over toys again. It is Leo in a box, at least. It's a wannabe tank. Here we go. Here's little Sweep. You know when I said it was all quiet and silent and eerily silent? Here's how quickly that can change. Michelle, apparently Lilo does think I need my hands washing, but that was not 20 seconds, Lilo, was it? You've not been paying attention, have you? Pam, you're absolutely right, it's dinner time. When it gets to this time we all go a little crazy, don't you? Phoebe is Sue at the front. Sue, Waffle and Crumpet. And Pancake fighting in for good measure. Here's a meow chorus. At least you'll never see these cats social distancing. Can you imagine? It's like you're shouting right at the camera. Put down that stupid rectangle thing and feed us. That's all you're saying. Right on Artemis as that came through at my diary, so yeah. Let's have no fighting. Right guys, thanks for joining us, thanks for all the stars and support you've sent so far. Been amazing. Leeds is going to be live again on Sunday, so I'm sure I'll see much of you again on Sunday. Hope you've brought a bit of kitty love to your day. I don't know what you're doing, Cookie. Let's get these guys in and get them fed. Thanks for joining us, guys. Take care. See you later. Come on, cats. Let's go. Be nice. Who's last? Loki, Pudding, and Safi always. Oh, and Peanut. Come on, Peanut. Who's behind you? Bam Bam last. It's a first for everything, isn't the boy? Said you weren't being yourself, didn't I? Peanut, come on. Come on. Come on, whenever you're ready, Peanut. If not, you're coming through snug. Peanut. Peanut. Come on, Peanut. Right, see you later, guys.